If you're trying to invite someone as a collaborator on Instagram and you see an error that they don't have access to music, here's how to fix it quickly and easily. First of all, ensure both your own and the other person's account have access to Instagram Music. If you're on a business account, Instagram may restrict your official music access. The best fix is to switch your account to a creator or personal profile. That restores music access. To do that, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner to go to Settings and Activity. Now, from here, scroll down until you see Account Type and Tools and tap on it. Then select Switch to Creator Account or Switch from Business to Personal. Then wait about 48 to 72 hours for the music library to fully return. If switching doesn't work right away or you still see the error, open a Rails draft. Remove the music temporarily, then add the collaborator. After that, save it as a draft. Then go back into the drafts, add back the music and publish. This often bypasses the restrictions. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.